And the next person you'll be hearing, I'm introducing personally. It's going to be a video presentation from the Grandparents Fund CEO, Mr. Ilan Mandel, as well as the chair of the Climate Restoration Alliance. He is a tireless worker for climate restoration. He's part of the international community. He runs a lot of committees. He holds a lot of meetings. He makes a lot of charts that nobody else wants to make. There's a lot of scientists and there's a lot of engineers, but somebody has to dot the I's and cross the T's, and that's Mr. Mandel. We can play the video. Yep.
Hi, I'm Ilan Mandel. I currently serve as the Chairman and CEO of the Climate Restoration Alliance and the Grandparents Fund for Climate Restoration, working out of Israel. In 2017, I met Peter Fiakovsky, and that meeting changed the course of my life. Peter had a bold vision, not just slow down global warming, but to actually restore a safe and healthy climate, like the one we inherited and the one future generations deserve. I partnered with Peter. We co founded the Foundation for Climate Restoration. And since then, I've been working on the architecture, the system that could actually make this vision a reality. While most of the climate conversations focus on possible solutions, nearly all of them, except ocean iron fertilization, OIF, are thousands of times more expensive to scale. That's why we're focusing on building the infrastructure required for any real solution to scale and operate successfully. Today, we heard from the XOIS group, where scientists are exploring OIF solutions capable of removing CO2 rapidly at a cost that stakeholders like you and I can afford. As those solutions evolve, the Climate Restoration Alliance and the Grandparents Fund are building the infrastructure needed to ensure their safe and rapid scale up. This includes developing the atmospheric CO2 measurement systems, funding pipelines, marketing strategy, and governance models. Restoring the climate isn't a single project, it's a massive global endeavor. And unfortunately, no government or international body has taken responsibility for it. Until that happens, we're working with funders to build what's needed. It takes science, engineering, governance, funding, and of course, projects on the ground. And it all needs to happen fast in a coordinated, responsible way worldwide across regions and regulatory systems. The good news is people are already working on each of these components. What's missing is a shared structure, an architecture that connects it all, a roadmap that clearly informs every stakeholder about what's happening, what's needed, and what success looks like. That's what we're building now, a climate restoration industry with clear pathways for collaboration, investment, and impact. Not just another climate initiative, but a blueprint for working together, a blueprint for a bridge that can take us safely to the other side of this crisis. We also need a social license, broad public understanding, trust, and support for climate restoration solutions. That's why last year we launched the Climate Restoration Ambassador Program. Our ambassadors include faith leaders, industry leaders, and ambassador to service organizations like Rotary. This Climate Restoration Summit is a game-changing moment, a powerful demonstration of what's possible when we all come together with a shared purpose. Thank you for being here and for stepping into this historic opportunity. We've been given a narrow window, but we know what to do. Nature has done it before, and we can do it too if we commit to it. If we align our efforts, if we fund and build the architecture, we can create a future where the climate is once again safe, stable, and life-giving. If you're a donor or investor who wants to help build the system that will restore the climate, I invite you to connect with me. Together, we can accelerate the path forward. Before I say goodbye, here's a short message from future generations. We are the future generations. We do not vote, so governments don't prioritize us. We do not pay taxes, so we are not in the budget. We do not buy products so corporations ignore us. But you, our parents, our grandparents, our aunts and uncles, you have the power now. You are writing the story we will be born into. Will it be a world of chaos and collapse, or one of restoration, beauty, and life? We ask you to be bold, to stand up for us when no one else will, to make the choices today that will give us a tomorrow. Join the Climate Restoration Alliance, sign the Climate Restoration Resolution, speak for us until we can speak for ourselves. Thank you so much for being part of this movement. Let's restore the climate, ensure a livable planet for our children, and usher in a new era where humanity can flourish for millennia to come.